I started a new project on my bike that I just finished rebuilding the entire engine on. The whole back sprocket right in here. It was all snapped off. Couldn't hold nothing on to the pull cord. Just added in a new key start. All the basic stuff. Choke. Everything. I broke off my on-off switch for the gas. You can see it in there. Right there. I don't know, I added some front headlights. I had the red caution light in the back. Everything's not really sealed on that crate. I kind of just stuck it on with some, what's it called? Twist ties or whatever the fuck they are. I can't remember right now. The front headlight. And then this is my newest addition onto it. As you can see, I added a, I don't know if you can see it too great, I added a 12-volt battery for a electric scooter that actually powers both my front headlight, and if I can get it in here, you might be able to see it. I have a little tube of neon running through the whole bottom of my bike. So let's try to turn this on right now. See how it runs. Like, it's pretty bright for just regular neon. It's a 12-inch tube, so it lights up all my bike. It's got different color settings, you know, whatever. Now, I guess let's try start this baby off. If I can get it to stand up. Just in case you didn't notice yet, there's no back tire on this thing. I popped it right after I got it, somehow. Don't know how that happened, but shit happens, I guess. Alright, so now let's get all this running, turn on the gas, key, choke it. Alright, let's see how she runs. See, so as you can see, like, for a completely rebuilt bike, except for the frame, it runs quite well.